a review, so like a bit more on CICD, and then we're going to talk about strategies for DAST. So see, when people say CICD, they mean pipeline software. And basically it is software that tests and deploys software, other software, and infrastructure. So if you're doing infrastructure as code, it can basically create a container or virtual machine or a platform as a service, and then it can build a bunch of software on top of it. It can turn it all on and tell it to connect, and it can do all of this automatically. And quite frankly, it's super beautiful. Like just seeing all of your work come to life in front of you automatically. It's really amazing. And having it only take just a few minutes. To have a DevOps environment or culture, there's 3 rules, or the 3 ways of DevOps, according to the DevOps handbook, the Phoenix project, etc. So we need efficiency for the entire system, not just Tanya's part. Because I definitely used to just work to make my parts perfect, and we're like, I don't care about everyone else. That's your problem. This is my problem, and my problem's going great. It means that we have to have fast feedback. And especially, we need to have feedback that is accurate. So I don't care if the tool is really fast, but half of the stuff it points out is false positives. So it needs to be accurate, and this information needs to get to the right people. I worked somewhere once and they had this SaaS tool, and it would run in every pipeline, but it wouldn't send you the information. You had to like log out of all the stuff you're doing, go to this separate area of the network, log into the tool, and then search for your stuff. And then you could, and no one ever did. No one would ever do that. They're just like, your bugs aren't in our bug system. You know, we're not getting the feedback in our other dashboards. Like, and it was a disaster. So feedback needs to be fast, it needs to be accurate, and it needs to get to the right people. And then the last one, sometimes there's names for this. So sometimes people call it risk-taking. Some people call it continuous learning. Some people call it taking time to improve your daily work. But the idea of this is that if you reserve a certain amount of time each month to try to improve everything, so that might be where you're like, I'm going to yank this part out, do more tuning and more stuff to it to make sure it's even better, then I'm going to put it back in. So I can save everyone time every single day. That is the idea of continuous learning.